this is Alissa.
Yeah.
Hi everybody, we're cooking some pasta noodles today. Hi everybody, we chopped in some bell pepper with my mommy.
Some bell peppers and onions.
I mean some bell peppers and onions with my mommy. Hi everybody, my mommy showed me to cut the bell pepper with my mommy.
So bell peppers and onions are the only two ingredients we really use besides the dry spices, and that's it. So after we chopped the seasoning, we got the chicken. It's thin chicken breast, and they were soaking in vinegar and water for, I'll say maybe 10 minutes. So after they finished soaking, we rinsed them off, and then I started to dice those up as well. So then we mixed everything up in a pot, and I started to put the spices in it. I used Tony Satchers, parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, accent, and I believe that's it.
Hi everybody, I'm showing the the chicken and the sauce.
You're stirring it up?
And I'm stirring it up.
Good job. And Alissa is a very big helper, and she loves cooking with mommy in the kitchen. And she's going to be a little chef.
I'm putting the cheese in it, and I love cheese.
So after that, I did decide to add a little more spices in it because I find once you add the noodles in it, it gives it a little bland taste. So we like our food with a little flavor in it. Not too much, but just a little more spices, and that's about it. And once we added the noodles, we just let it sit, I'll say maybe like 5 minutes or so, and then it was ready to go. Y'all, this is definitely one of my favorite dishes to cook because Alissa loves it, and it's super easy. I'm finished cooking and I'm all done with my mommy. Let him blow it a little bit, honey. Good. Thumbs up.